Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring your phone number to Google Voice. Follow these simple instructions to retain your number while enjoying the benefits of Google Voice. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating the transfer, ensure that your phone number is eligible for porting. You can check this on the Google Voice website. Typically, numbers from landlines and mobile services are eligible, while numbers associated with some VoIP services may not be. Step 2. Sign up for Google Voice. If you haven't already, create a Google Voice account. Go to the Google Voice website or app and sign in with your Google account. Follow the prompts to set up your account. Step 3. Prepare for porting. To port your number, you will need your account information from your current phone service provider. This usually includes your account number, PIN, and billing address. Contact your current provider if you're unsure about these details. Step 4. Start the porting process. Once your Google Voice account is set up and you have your current account information handy, navigate to the settings in the Google Voice app or on the website. Click on Link New Number and select the option to transfer your number. Step 5. Enter your phone number. Input the phone number you wish to transfer and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to enter your account number and PIN for verification. Step 6. Confirm your details. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Double-check your account number, PIN, and billing address. This will help avoid any delays in the transfer process. Step 7. Pay the transfer fee. Google Voice typically charges a one-time fee for porting your number, usually around $20. Make the payment as instructed on the screen to proceed with the porting request. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. After you submit your request, Google will send you an email confirmation. The transfer can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on your current carrier's process. During this time, avoid canceling your old service until the transfer is complete, as this may cause issues. Step 9. Finalize your setup. Once your number is ported, you will receive a notification from Google Voice. You can now start using your number with Google Voice. Be sure to check your settings and adjust any preferences you might have. Remember, you can continue to use Google Voice's features, such as voicemail transcription, call screening, and more. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to transfer your phone number to Google Voice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.